Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to show you guys this. It is April 4th, 2018, and let me flip the camera around here and I'll show you what's going on outside. This is what it's like outside our house today. Look at our poor car. Oh my goodness. April 4th, okay? April 1st, this was all cleared. In fact, I'll insert pictures of some deer we spotted here on April 1st, okay? They were right over there. Same space, okay? They ran across here into the bush. Now look at it. It's back to winter. It's supposed to be spring. Look at this. That's how deep it is already. This has fallen overnight. Just overnight and today, and we've got to have a foot here at least. And then it's drifting as well, so life is not pretty right now. Please, spring, hurry up, get here. Summer, that's even better. I want summer back, please. Just thought I'd show you this. This is Powassan, April 4th, 2018. Oh, the difference 3 days makes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.